Hello friends, how are you all doing? I hope you all are good, super fine, fantastic. I'm also the same. My name is Naresh Kumar and I'm a trainer, mentor and a coach and I'm helping you prepare for your interview and advance your career from one level to the other. Now, today I've come with a very important topic which is one mistake you all have been doing. And the mistake is I've seen many candidate, many student at the time of interview, they're answering in one word. Suppose, for example, the interviewer is asking what are your strength and weakness, and then you are saying that my strength is hardworking, courageous, creativity, so and etc. etc. One word, who is going to believe you, man? Who will believe you? You are saying I'm a very hardworking person, I'm a very courageous person, I have integrity, so and so etc. Who is going to believe you? Are you going to believe somebody coming to you and asking for a job and he's telling you that I'm a very hardworking person, I'm a very honest person, I'm a very courageous person, very flexible in working? Are you going to believe? No, you're not going to believe. Same thing, they will not believe you, and your chance of getting selected is very less. So what you can do in order to make him believe? Very simple. Just give him the context behind it. Now see, when you're telling him the strength, don't tell so many strength. Just tell only 3 4 5 3 4 4 is sufficient, 3 4 is sufficient, more than sufficient, or 3 if you say it's sufficient. So frame the context behind it. Do at home only, don't go there and make everything there. Don't do that. Prepare everything. So find the context. At one point of your life you may have shown those quality, those skills, those contexts. You need to write it down so that you are able to better speak properly. What I'm saying is that you need to say the story, right? So you need to frame the story at home only, and then you tell. So when you tell the story, the context behind it, that he's better able to relate it, that yeah, it can happen, it may have, and that's why you are having such a good, the proof will be in front of him only. Suppose you are saying that you are a very hardworking person, you'll tell the context now, you'll tell the story now. You may be saying about the incident of your life, for example, like when there was a final examination, there were a lot of tasks and you have to complete all the thing together within one night or within 2 days, and you started doing and you forgot to eat even, and you are very focused, and until unless you completed, then only you took rest. And this way it shows that you are a very hardworking person. So frame a story. I'm just giving you example. You can frame your own story, beautiful story. I'm not saying it's a very good story. Just giving example. So frame your own story, and then you say, and then he'll be able to relate it. When will be able to relate it, then you'll have a higher chances of getting selected. That's you need to do. Frame a story. Come up with the story behind every strength, weakness, or any answer you are giving. Tell the story behind it, why it is that, the why portion you need to say. If you are saying that you are a very creative person, at what point of time you have been very creative, I mean you have shown your creativity skill to others, you need to say that. Is it very tough? No. In your life you have shown many creativity. Maybe you were given some kind of, like, to paint some kind of, in your college phase or in your school, or some kind of to draw some kind of, and some kind of, some in a chart paper, and you have shown your creativity in a very nice way. Or maybe you have written a poem, or you have written a story. It shows your creativity, right? It shows your creativity. Or you were, for example, you were saying that organization skill, you were given to arrange all the household work, and mother gave you this task and you were able to do it. You are just telling him the context, you are telling him the story, and and with that context he is able to relate. The interviewer, he or she is able to relate, and he is able to believe it. So the same thing you need to do in your interview. So make a habit, make this at home only, because you proper, like, you have to prepare everything. Proper planning prevents poor performance. Keep this in mind actually. So prepare everything, don't go there and experiment, do it at home. Story, it's a very powerful impact. You'll have a higher chance of getting selected. So that's also today. I hope it helps, and we'll meet in another video. Bye bye, take care.